Alright, so what's going on, everyone? Today's going to be a video of us reviewing the stocks that are currently within our portfolio. I'm not going to add one to the portfolio today, but we do have maybe how many? 2, 4, 6, 8 stocks already in this portfolio. So we're just going to come in, look at the charts to see if there's anything we need to change. Do we need to get rid of it? Do we need to take the bag before we see price go down, or could we let the market continue to go in the direction in which we expect it to go? So if you guys appreciate the videos and content, as always, hit that like, share, and subscribe. Definitely want you all to subscribe here, because we will every once in a while come through and drop some stocks within our portfolio. Okay, so we can track it and try to show the people that you can also make money on other markets as well. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to look at is Packaging Corporation of America. You guys can see we already initially started this prediction on December 18th. We're looking for the stock to go up. Right now, you guys can see that this stock has eradicated this sell pocket, which is great, meaning that the buyers are still trying to control the price. I'm going to hold this pocket here a little while longer because I really want to see a breakout occur from this pocket. Like, I really want to see a big breakthrough. It'll let us know that these buyers are still moving the price. So I'm going to hold it there, but it's good to see over the last couple of days that those buyers have been holding the market in PKG. That's on the daily chart. Here it is on the 2-day chart. Here it is on the 3. Okay, so I do like the 3. Still for PKG. Here it is on the 4. So yeah, everything looks pretty good there. All right, so now let's go to the next one, which is intuitive machines. Okay, so here it is here. You guys can see on the 4 right now that we're getting caught off of this sell pocket, which is cool. We understand sellers are there. I don't like it. I would like to see the market close on this 4-day price bar a little bit higher, because it'll tell me that the buyers have absorbed whoever was trying to sell their stock into the market. Here it is on the 5 real quick. Okay. Here it is on the weekly. So you can see even on the weekly charts that back to back, we noticed that sellers been coming into the market. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Take a look at the stock on the 3 weeks. Here it is for the month so far. So I still like the monthly chart. I'm just be prepared to see this stock give us some weakness and some movement to the downside. Okay, so for that we need to add a couple of areas that we want to see the market hold. So we're going to add a buy pocket right there. Let me look at this on a 1-hour chart real quick. Let's see if there's another area I want to point to. So here it is on the 3. All right, so let me add one more buy pocket that I want us to see the price hold. So if it breaks this pocket here, we might need to let the play go. So we added that to the chart now, because we are anticipating some weakness to try to come into the market for this stock. So let's go ahead and save that. Okay, so now next one is going to be Lockheed Martin, LNT. So here it is here. It has eradicated, took the sellers out, and that sell pocket, so we could go ahead and get rid of that. Now we're getting caught at the second one. Okay, so we definitely need to pay attention in the market in Lockheed Martin to see if these buyers will take the sellers out now. If not, we could take the bag. We could take some off the table, which is around like 3.25% right now, and that won't be a problem. Like, because we understand that we are knocking on the door of where sellers are. Okay, so here's Lockheed Martin on the 330. It looked like we can add a buy pocket for Lockheed Martin, and I think we want to do that. So let's add one here. Okay, so back on, let me see the 11-hour chart. Yeah, so that's decent. All right, so we want to see the market hold this buy pocket there. If it doesn't, and we definitely get a big move to the downside, then we might need to cut this play out too. Okay, so let's save that. Let's go to the next one, which is Powerfleet. You guys can see that we're getting caught right now in this first sell pocket. I mean, when I did the price prediction, I already knew that we was hitting the pocket, but I think on the longer term chart that this stock is definitely maintaining its bullishness. So this may be a longer play for us to allow to happen. So I'm not going to change anything on this one yet. Okay, let's go look at the next one, which is Synopsys Ticker symbol is SPS. Again, getting caught on the sell pocket right there. You guys can see it. So, I mean, it is to be expected, especially when you can see and draw the areas to which you can tell where the sellers are. So you expect that to happen. So nothing to change yet though, but something just to be aware of. Let's look at the next one, which is Salesforce. So I do like Salesforce still. I wanted to see give us a very big break away from this sell pocket, meaning I want to see a break above. So we haven't seen that yet. This is just like Power Fleet. I'm looking for this to kind of play out in the long term though. I definitely like the long term charts. For me, longer term is like 5 weeks, you know, monthly time frame. I'm not looking for like 12 years or 5 years, nothing like that. It's not long term to me. To me, it's like on a weekly, monthly time frame. So I definitely like Salesforce on that perspective. Next one is KRG. Here's another one looking pretty good on the long term charts too. 5 weeks. The monthly chart all looks very bullish here. So it looked like Power Fleet, Salesforce, Kite Realty Trust are the ones that we're going to try to hold for the long term, weekly, monthly time frame. The next one is Array Technologies. I do like this one too for the long term. Here it is on the 5 weekly chart, very strong 5 weekly price bar right there. I loved. Here it is on the 3 weeks, very strong 3 weekly price bar there. You can just see. Put this on the days so you guys can see it better, that we're getting hit at the sell pocket. Okay, we got one buy pocket already created. It looked like the market's going to try to come to it. Hopefully we'll see these buyers approach the price and begin buying again. If they don't, here it is on a 30-minute chart. This is the last area I would say I want to see the market hold this area. Okay, so we added that new buy pocket for Array Technologies there. Okay, so we might need to let it go if this stock continues to go down and it breaks this second buy pocket. Okay, so yeah, like this is just a quick update, just providing a review of the price action that has occurred into the market for these stocks that are in the portfolio here. And the things that we added were additional buy pockets that we want to see price hold. In the event it doesn't, we know that we need to come back in and reevaluate the situation, potentially sell it, get it out of our portfolio, and look for another opportunity. All right, so this is just a quick video, like I said. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.